Hello everyone, I'm Julien and today I will be presenting you a brief overview of Okapi. Okapi is a headless web3 loyalty engine that allows you to easily create wallet for your user, create, send and redeem tokens and NFTs, and also create token gating experience. Let's jump into the dashboard. The first page of your dashboard is a brief overview. If we go to the token tab, you can see all the token that you have created. Let's see this NFT. We can see that there's 10,000 NFT that have been created. We can see it on the Explorer too by clicking on the link. And we can take a look at the meta information. If you want to create a new NFTs, you just have to click on the NFT button, upload an image, add a name, a symbol, and a description, and also a supply size. If you want to create token, you need to add an image, a name, a description, a supply size, and a decimal. Now let's go to the objective tab. Basically, objectives are used to send token to your user. So to create a new objective, you just have to click on the create objective button, add a name, a description, a token. So you have to select a token in your list of created token, and you can decide if it's a fixed amount or dynamic amount. Here we could say purchase a product. Every time a user is purchasing a product, we will send 100 token for every $1 spent. You can edit your objective here. So just by clicking the edit button. And you can check your objective ID here and copy it for a use later. Now let's go to the rewards tab. Basically, the rewards is a way to redeem token from your user. So to create a reward, just click on the reward button. For instance, if we want to give $5 off to a user in exchange for, let's say 500 tokens of the demo coin, we just have it to set it like so. So basically we will be claiming 500 Okapi demo coin when the user use $5 of rewards. Now let's go to the token gating tab. If you want to create a token gating token gate, you just need to click on the add token gate, add a name, a description, exclusive product, and I don't know, we want to show exclusive products to everyone that have at least 1,000 Okapi demo coin. Here you can see the history of your compute units usage. So basically, let's take a look at objective here that has been claimed. You can see the transaction into the Explorer. And you can see some metadata here, like the user info, the device type, the transaction signature, and a bunch of other things. In the billing tab, you see your current subscription. Here we are at the Pro plan. If we want to cancel the subscription, just need to click on cancel subscription. your subscription will end at the end of the billing cycle. So here is April 30. If you want to reactivate your subscription, just click on the reactivate your subscription button. You can see all your invoice history on the invoice tabs. And you can see all the transaction history. Here, it's whenever you are creating new tokens. For instance, we have created 10,000 tokens here. And at the payment method tab, you will be able to see all your payment method, add a new payment method, select your default one, and so on. On the setting tab, you can update your account setting. So the name, the URL, you can add first name, last name, and you can see the wallet that we've generated for you. For instance, this wallet you can see on the Explorer by clicking on the View Explorer button. And you see all the transaction history, the token owned by the wallet, and so on. If you click on the developer tab here, you can add and create a API key. So here, I'm gonna create a new API key. Click here to copy on the clipboard. We won't be able to show this again, so make sure that you are placing it at a secure place. To delete your API key is pretty straightforward. Just click on the action button here and delete API key. Now let's take a look at how to use the SDK. You can install the SDK with the following command. Import the client into your file and start initialize Okapi using the start method. Don't forget to replace your API key here. If you want to get the user wallet information, you just have to call the wallet method by using the email of the user or any other unique identifier that you've set. You will receive the public key of the user and the token and the NFTs that the user has. Now, let's take a look at the objective. If you want to send token to a user, you just need to replace the ID here with your objective ID and set the user here. If the transaction is successful, you will receive a transaction signature and a success boolean to true. Basically, you can get your objective ID on simply on clicking on the objective ID here and replace it right there. If you want to redeem token from your user, you just have to use the reward method and replacing the ID with the reward ID and set the user that you want to redeem tokens from. For instance, if we want to get 500 Okapi coin from a user in exchange for $5 off, just click on the reward ID here and replace it right there. If it's successful, you will receive a transaction signature ID and a success boolean. If the transaction is not successful, you will receive a success set to false and an error, something like insufficient funds if the user did not have enough token in their wallet. Now take a look at token gating. Basically, it's the same thing. You just have to get the gate ID here, copy it, and replace it with the right there, and set a specific user wallet that you want to take a look at. If the token gating is unlocked, you will receive a unlocked variable set to true. If the token gate is not unlocked, it will be set to false. And there's some other information that you can take a look at, like the amount of token that the user have and the amount of token required, and also the mint ID, the mint address. Thank you for listening to this overview. We are looking forward to see what you are going to build with Okapi.